how to explain a wind damage claim settlement to an insured. Sylvia Browder here, small business consultant, licensed claims adjuster, field inspector, and advocate for startup service-based businesses. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for all things small business. Let's get into it. As a new claims adjuster, understanding how to communicate settlement details to policyholders is essential for building trust and providing excellent service. In this example, you'll learn how to explain wind damage coverage, handle non-covered damages, discuss depreciation and deductibles, and in the call, knowing that the insured was satisfied with the handling of her claim. I spoke with Ms. Insured and explained that her claim was filed for wind damage. During the inspection, we confirmed that wind damage to the roof, exterior, and ensuing water damage to interior areas. I explained that we also observed gaps in a living room window and a prior repair to the bathroom ceiling, which was determined to be unrelated to this loss. I explained that the wind damage is covered under her policy. However, coverage does not apply to wear and tear, deterioration, or mechanical damage resulting from inadequate maintenance. Ms. Insured stated that she understood. I gave a breakdown of the settlement, informing her that the replacement cost value, or RCV, is $22,500. With depreciation of $2,260 being withheld. This amount can be released once repairs are completed and proof of completion is provided. I also explained that the deductible of $1,500 is her responsibility and can be paid directly to her contractor of choice. After applying the deductible and withholding depreciation, her net payment amount is $18,740. I advised Ms. Insured that the claim check will be made payable to both her and her spouse, as both are listed on the policy. I explained the supplement process, and if her contractor of choice found any additional damages that were missed by our field inspection, or the contractor's scope is different from the carrier's, the contractor can submit an itemized and quantified estimate along with supporting photos. I asked Ms. Insured if she had any questions or concerns. I explained that the estimate and payment letter will be emailed to her and she will receive a mailed copy along with a check through the USPS. I reminded her that it could be 7 to 10 business days before she receives it. Before concluding, I mentioned that she may receive a survey asking about my customer service. I expressed that I hoped her experience was positive. Ms. Insured confirmed that it was and said I was extremely thorough and professional. She then concluded saying I made it so easy for her and she appreciated. Mastering how to guide policyholders through the claims process is key to your success as an adjuster. By using clear language and demonstrating empathy, you can ensure a smooth claims experience and strengthen the policyholder's confidence in your support. Remember, clarify, professionalism, and knowledge go a long way in this industry. For more videos like this, check out my YouTube channel. That's Be a Claims Adjuster. Playlist, Policy.